Today, I am showing you a free AI tool that turns plain text into a full video. Be it visuals, be it motion graphics, it is going to generate everything. Now I will show you how it is exactly done. So this is the interface of the tool. So for any video to be generated, we need a prompt. We are going to use 3 different text prompts to generate our videos so that we can check the difficulty level of the videos. Basically, the first prompt is a man carrying a tripod and placing it on the table. As you can see here, this is a very simple prompt, like a man carrying a tripod and placing it on the table. So let's see how this tool performs. So I'm going to select the video option, 9:16 aspect ratio. I need a 8-second video and I just want one video. So the model I am using here is Omni Flash. So it is going to take 12 credits. So let's hit. It is going to take some time to generate the video, but it is going to be less than 2 minutes. So guys, this is a new channel that I have generated to teach AI tutorials. So please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you like the content. So guys, the video is generated. So let's see how it goes. I will play it again, guys. You can just check the quality of the video. So we can see here a man holds a tripod and places it on the table. So we didn't give any specifications about the man's race and all. So this is the video it has generated. So now let us use an intermediate prompt. So the prompt is tripod turns into a man and says subscribe to the channel. So guys, why this is medium level prompt is I have asked the tripod to turn into a man and also it has to speak. So in this video we are going to cover the speaking part also. Let's hit generate. So guys, our second video is ready and looks like it has delivered what we have asked it. So let's see. Amazing. Okay,
subscribe
fine.
to the channel.
It kind of messed it up at the end. So guys, we have asked the tripod to turn into a man and it did exactly what we asked. That's why we need to deliver detailed prompts. Now let us test our third prompt. The prompt I'm going to give it is generate a happy conversation between a tripod and a camera about the way the owner handles them. So the complex prompt is generate a happy conversation between a tripod and a camera about the way the owner handles them. So this is kind of a complex prompt. So we need 2 shots. One is of tripod talking, one is of camera talking, and both of them having a conversation, which is kind of complex for just a text prompt to generate the video. So let's see how the result will be. So let's add 2 more attributes like multi-shot conversational. If you observe guys, these are not detailed prompts, these are just text prompts. If you go to any other AI tool and type this text prompt, you are not going to get the results as accurate as you desire. So guys, this is my first set of videos that I am making on YouTube. Please hit that hype button and please subscribe to the channel and like the video if you love the content. So guys, yeah, the video is ready guys. So let's play it.
Gently she handles us.
True, no rough drops.
And she wipes my lens every single day.
I get a nice warm bath. We are so lucky.
If you observe here, they are talking about the owner and the owner is a she. We didn't specify whether it is a he or she. It just assumed it will be a she. So the more detailed your prompt, the more detailed the video will be. I found this conversation very funny. What do you think? Comment below. And if you have any prompt that you want me to generate video, type in the comment and I'll make a short video using the same prompt. So guys, I'm going to play the videos again so that you will get an idea. So the first video we generated was just a easy prompt, the easy text prompt. So guys, now let us display the second video that we have generated, which is of a medium level prompt.
Subscribe to the channel.
Now let us play the video that we have generated using the complex prompt.
Gently she handles us.
True, no rough drops.
And she wipes my lens every single day.
I get a nice warm bath. We are so lucky.
What do you think about these videos, guys? I found the complex prompt one very funny and I loved the video. What do you think? Please comment below. Comment the prompt that you want to generate a video with, and I am going to make a short video and upload it on the same channel. So subscribe to the channel and wait for the next video to arrive. And hype the video. Thank you. So guys, the tool I was talking about was Google Flow AI application. It is available in both web version and app version. You can go to Play Store and install the app version. And in the web version, the interface looks like this. You first need to go to Google Flow. Go to Google and type Google Flow and select the first option. Later you get, if you need to use your Gmail to log into the account. Later it automatically gets logged you in. So this is the interface, and these are the projects that you work on it. So this was the project that we already worked on. Here are the 3 videos that we have generated, and you can use it for free. If you just have a Gmail account, that is enough. If you can see here, 14 Google Flow credits. So daily it gives you 50 credits, by using which you can generate almost 4 videos using Omni Flash model. So this is all about the tool, and give it a try and let me know how you get the results in the comments.